Alright, we are continuing in Swarm Grinder. I hope you guys enjoyed those last episodes. I'm really fucking loving this game. It's brand new, made by some guy or some people. I have no clue who made it, but it's really fucking fun. I can't really describe what kind of genre this would be, other than you shoot little parasites and you run away from them as they try to attack you. So we're gonna try a ricochet run here. We'll go north. Oh, actually, the closest one is down here. Go to the closest ones first. Seems like the further you get away from the center, the more you kind of fuck yourself up. And we opened a lot of backs there by accident. That's okay. We're gonna get the blades. Nope, no blades. Gatling gun though. Ricochet 2. 114 down here. We're just seeing what we can do with synergies and all this stuff, because I have no clue how to play this game honestly. Bro, wow! I did not see those guys. Need some health before we get in there. Ricochet 3. How do you guys liking these ricochets? You don't seem to be liking them as much. Oh, so I thought before that it was like framey. It's not even framey, it's just that's kind of how the ricochet looks. None of these are good, so we'll go for a detonator. I think that one might just blow up stuff. Oh, this global explosive chance. Wow, I'm hilarious. I have been ignoring the global explosive chance the whole time. Ricochet explosions, man, that's awesome. Come on, we gotta really get in there. Woo! Come on, give me that arsenal. No! We'll get the detonator, actually. Global explosion chance, explosive vulnerability. After not taking damage for... It's 1 second, though. I don't take enough... Like, I always take damage. I can't fucking get that. 15 seconds for 1 second is not worth it. If it was like 5 seconds, that'd be pretty fair. Those explosions with the ricochets in there. Ooh, baby. Just give me a blade and I'm good. Get an explosion blade. Vortex blades. No. Come on, get off of my body. Get away from me. No! Yeah. We're gonna jump right into another one. It seems like if you don't get blades like the first 2 seconds, you just kind of get stomped on. It makes sense too, because this is like a melee game. It's not even a shooter. It was a tough choice, because I really like getting gun upgrades since it's your primary. We'll just keep going for this. Getting our explosion chance up there. Come on. Blades, yes. You're telling me I didn't get that? I had to be like, here, you know what, actually? We're a bomb build, actually. I don't know why I'm trying to get blades. We got explosion chances. So I'm assuming that can like have a double explosion chance. I do like this actually. The mortar is pretty good. rapid fire damage. Skills tagged with rapid fire. So those are the two that have that. We'll just do local crit chance. We're already kind of fucking our build up, but that's just like true to roguelikes. If we had started with the scatter shot, I would have definitely gotten that last one there. We don't have a scatter shot, so. Nice. We're actually getting there though. Alright. Get our fuel. Oh, our health is very low. We gotta get some hearts before we get in there. It's when you hit those groups like that, they just all die. I like that. The 10% chance to do crits is doing pretty good too. Come on, we gotta get up in here. I do not like how big the incoming wave thing is. Because like, for a game that you need to see what you're doing, certainly a lot of stuff on the screen. That's one of those situations where it's like, what do you get? I guess you get the homing missiles. Nah, you have to get the cleaver, because it's like a close range. We have no close range stuff. Also should apply the explosion chance on it. Pretty sure, yeah, it is. You gotta get in there. Our health is just not there, yeah. One more time. So we'll probably do a couple quick runs if I die early on. It seems to be like one of those games where you create your own worst enemy, which I do like. Your hubris is your own downfall. Torch, mortar. Let's get that scatter shot. So this is like gonna help us overall, just shooting. Is it randomized, or are they? I think they're shooting directly. Yes, it's random. We're just trying to see what's what here. Spam. Slows down bullets, increase the firing interval between each shot. Firing interval. So we increase the magazine size for all skills with the reload or the rapid fire. So we're kind of like a shoot 'em up build right now. Wish the scatter shot would go in a general direction, but I think you can alter its trajectory over time. They're fucking strong as hell when they hit, though. They're insta kills, basically. So what do we get the first time? Rapid fire. Bullets chase enemies, yeah, exactly. That's nice. They're like little blades. We need ammo though. Oh. Rapid fire damage, exactly. Nice. So this is where the like synergy happens with the minigun and the rapid fire scatter shot there. So the one gives you speed or magazine, and the other one gives you damage. Get that big group in here. Give me that lucky charm. Doing so much damage now. We just need something to clear out this horde here. Run over here and get this. Come on, Arsenal, yes. Just gonna take all of my swimmer ender skill right here. Yeah. We gotta get over to that other miner. Bastard, he's not reloading fast enough. We just gotta go back to the way we came. He's not doing near enough damage now. DPS is falling off too fast. The mech can't be handled like this. The mech is not supposed to be going this fast. There's too many objects on the screen, and you're not killing enough. Kill them all! Ah. Yeah, that's fine. I expected that to happen. We'll do it. We'll toss in a fourth, just for fun. Here we go. Running up right now. Let's get him. The fact that those guys managed to just like walk up to me and smack me pisses me off. Come on. You got it upgrade. You already upgraded and you're just like letting them hit you. Cleaver, yes. Early game cleaver. Now give me the one that gives me health kills. For future reference, I have no clue how I'm going to separate these games, because it seems like you can go for a long ass time if you're good. But you can also like steamroll it as fast like as you're going, like helicopter blades. Wider braids, yes. Braids. The braids of grass. Come on. Let's get this cleared out. No, I do not want homing missiles, thank you very much. I take pretty much anything actually other than that. I'm usually not the kind of guy who wants something to home for me. I like to do the damage up close and personal. Like this. Nice, dude. Give me a DPS upgrade on that. And the thing about the blades is they're really conservative on ammo. Like, you can just kind of cut down people like... I think they only suck when there's like one guy and you're trying to cut him down with one swipe. Let's get that. Gatling gun. Do that. So everything over here for the mines is good. We're just like traveling along the edge. Come on, we gotta get that DPS up. We're just going for this one right now. No, 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 no. No clue what I was doing there. I just kind of pushed my brain to the wall and I said, go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this fucking terrible example of this game. I will see you all next time. Bye.